Uh, Hello everyone, every viewers. Today I'm going to present you the topic on do not be saddened during these three stages of life. Number one is that at the age of 58 to 65, the workplace moves away from you, means that you are away from the working place and you are now going to pass the retired life. No matter how successful or powerful you were during your career, you will be referred to as just an ordinary person. Therefore, do not cling to mindset of your previous job or your previous business. Second thing is that at the age of 65 to 72, at this age, society gradually moves away from you. Many of your friends and colleagues will no longer be around yourself, and it is unlikely anyone will recognize you at your former workplace. Means if you are going to your office, they may not recognize you as they were doing, and they will not welcome you as they were welcoming you every day. Do not say I was or I used to be, because the younger generation will not recognize you, and you should not do. You do not say I was, I used to be, because the youngest generator will not recognize you, and you should not feel bad of it. The third stage is from 72 to 77 years. In this stage, even family members slowly drifts away from you. Although you may have any children, grandchildren, most of the time you will find yourself living either with your spouse or alone. When your children visit occasionally, take it as a gesture of love. Do not blame them for visiting less often, as they must be busy in their business or in their jobs or in their life. Finally, after 77 years of age, the earth will begin to pull you towards yourself, towards itself. At this point, do not feel sad, as it is finally stage of life, and everyone eventually has to go to that place and follow the path. So as long as your body permits, live life to fullest state and well, and try to be happy every time. So as long as your body permits, live life to the fullest, eat well, drink well, and try to be happy every time. After the age of 58, create a group of friends and meet regularly uh, at a fixed place and timely stay with them, phone to them, call them, reunite and share experience from your early life with each other. Always be happy and share this my article to your friends, your well-beings and your relatives. I am thankful to you to listen to me and going through my slides in Urdu and in English. Thank you very, very much. Thanks a lot. नाजरीन, आज मैं आपकी खिदमत में एक ऐसे टॉपिक पर गुफ्तगू कर रहा हूँ जो हर शख्स की ज़िंदगी के मुताल्लिक ہے اور ہر ایج سٹیج پر آپ اپنے آپ کو کس طرح سے رکھ سکتے ہیں، کیسے آپ کے ساتھ ہوگا اور آپ کے ساتھ کیا ہونا چاہیے حقیقت میں، وہ سب آپ کے سامنے میں رکھ دوں گا۔ آپ اس کو اچھی طرح سے پڑھیں اس تحریر کو اور اس پر عمل کرنے کی کوشش کریں۔ بہت بہت شکریہ آپ لوگوں کا۔ امید ہے کہ آپ اس سلائیڈ کو اچھی طرح سے پڑھیں گے۔ اردو میں پیش کر رہا ہوں، اس کے بعد پھر دوسری سلائیڈ کو پڑھیں گے اور پھر آخری سلائیڈ کو میں انگلش میں پیش کروں گا، تاکہ جو اردو سے تھوڑے کم واقف حضرات ہیں وہ انگلش میں اچھی طرح سے اس کو پڑھ لیں اور سمجھ لیں۔ اور میں نے اس میں کچھ اپنی آواز بھی اپلوڈ کی ہے، ویڈیو بھی اپلوڈ کی ہے، تو میں آپ کا شکر گزار ہوں کہ آپ تینوں سلائیڈز کو غور سے پڑھیں اور غور سے دیکھیں۔ بہت شکریہ۔